For us 50-plus-year-olds, it is an absolute dream to represent Canada, especially in Aruba. With Aruba being the host, and we definitely thank you so much for inviting us and for having us here. It is a real pleasure. This is my first time on the team, first time to Aruba, as with some of the other players from the team. Some of the other players are returning. As well as Earl Sutherland, our manager, of course, originally from Aruba, and our coaches, Brian and Tim, have been here before and have played on the team before, and also now are our coach and assistant coach. So this is a great opportunity. We certainly thank you for welcoming us, and we're really looking forward to it. Okay, we have 13 players today that will be on the team. Unfortunately, we had one of our players, Hugh Murray. He had passed away. He was on the team, but he had passed away prior to coming, unfortunately. So we will remember his number, 62, and we'll be honoring it throughout our stay here as well. But we have 13 players, and we're ready to go. No, actually, Earl Sutherland's been bringing teams since 2012. He also brings women's teams as well, and there's a women's team in Bonaire, I believe, having a tournament there in a couple of weeks in April. So Earl has a team in women's team participating in Bonaire, but Earl's been bringing down men's teams here since 2012. We feel that this is the most competitive team, and from what we've heard is the most competitive team that we've been able to bring down. So we're looking forward to it. Don't underestimate us. I know in the past Team Canada has played well, but has fallen on some bad luck at times. This is a little bit of a different team where we're bringing a lot of knowledge from the game. Hey, we're 50-plus-year-olds. We've been in the game for a long time, so it's not always the physical attribute, but it's the mental game as well. And we're really looking forward to seeing the competition and seeing how we make out. Oh, everyone is more than welcome to come and see our games. We look forward to. It doesn't matter who you're cheering for. If for us or another team or whoever, we're really looking forward to everybody coming. And please, cheer us on or cheer on the other team. Just come and watch the games. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be really great competitive baseball. And, we have to thank our sponsorships and that have helped us to come here, and who we have actually some sponsors that are in Aruba today. They come here on vacation, and it's going to be a great time. Really looking forward to it. Bon tardi.